Hapon, alas 9 pasado, mag-alas 10, 7.4 at kagabi ay 6.8. Yung paliwanag
Yes po.
nyo ay magkaibang lindol ito eh. Yung 6.8 ay hindi aftershock ng 7.4?
That's right. That's separate. Those are two separate events. Kasi ang definition ng aftershock, it's one magnitude lower than the main shock. So the aftershock would be around 6.4, but this is 6.8. So this is what we call a doublet.
Pag sinabi nating doublet, ano ibig sabihin po nito?
Ang doublet, ang definition po natin ng doublet would be two closely timed quakes happening nearby, and they happen in the same area but with different epicenters and strengths. This is not the first time na nangyari po ito sa Mindanao, sa Philippine Trench. We have magnitude 7.8. In 1992 we have magnitude 7.1, and then another is magnitude 7.5 in 26 minutes, all separate by 26 minutes, and then yung latest natin prior to the event yesterday would be the Hinatuan earthquake in 2023, magnitude 7.4 on December 2, and then it was followed by a magnitude 6.8 2 days after on December 4.
So hindi bago itong nangyari kahapon?
Yes, that's right. This is not the first time. And meron din po tayo mga doublet dati. Mga maliliit din na lindol, for example, sa last year sa may Humalig, but it's not on the Philippine Trench. We have 5.3 magnitude and then another 4.9. So hindi.
Pero sir, ito Director, yung kasunod ba na yung kasunod ba na pagyanig ay naapektuhan nung nauna? Na-trigger nung nauna?
Na-trigger nung nauna? Pwede na-trigger nung una kasi again, they happen at the same time. They're separate events, but pwede kasing ang nangyari kasi dito, they usually occur where faults are complicated and causing stress to trigger a sequence of events.
So yun, ang tinatawag lang nating doublet ay yung mga malalakas na magkasunod na pagyanig sa halos magkatabing area lang.
That's right, precisely. Yes.
So hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na yung magnitude 6.9 sa Cebu ang nakatrigger nitong magnitude 7.4, hindi yon.
Masyadong malayo.
Masyadong malayo.
Masyadong malayo po yun, yes.